This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing clear keywords that match viewer intent. Use autocomplete and a keyword tool to list seed and long-tail phrases. Pick one primary keyword and 2 to 3 supporting phrases so your video has a focused theme. Once done, craft a concise title containing the primary keyword near the front and write a 200+ word description that naturally includes supporting phrases. Make sure tags, chapters, and the first 48-72 hours promotion target those same terms for algorithm signals. Next, you optimize the assets that viewers and the algorithm use to decide relevance. Start your video with a 3-5 second hook that states value. YouTube measures early retention. Then structure timestamps and chapters using supporting keywords to improve scrub behavior and SEO signals. Make a high-contrast thumbnail with readable text and a clear subject because click-through rate affects discovery. Include the primary keyword in the first 2 lines of the description and add relevant tags and closed captions to capture more search queries. Finally, publish strategically. Use a premiere and push the video across your channels to boost initial views. You should monitor CTR, average view duration, and traffic sources daily. Those metrics tell you what to tweak. If the video underperforms, change the thumbnail and title, wait 24-48 hours to measure impact, and refresh the description and tags with stronger keywords. One quick troubleshooting tip. If retention drops in the first 30 seconds, re-edit that intro and re-upload, or replace the video to recover engagement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.